Hey, it's Dr. John DeGarmo here with the Foster Care Institute Tip of the Week. This week we're talking about loss. People often ask me, Dr. John, these children must be so happy to be placed in your home. And I've had over 60 plus children come through my home as a foster father. But what I understand this to be true, when a child is removed from their home, when they're removed from their mothers and their fathers, maybe their siblings, when they're removed from their toys, their pets, their bedroom, their house, their home, maybe their grandparents, aunts, uncles, schoolmates, everything they know, suddenly, many times without explanation, and thrust into a strange home like my own, it's a time of not only confusion and anxiety, it can be a time of loss. Now, we as foster parents might provide stability and consistency and structure and unconditional love, but at the end of the day, a child is removed from their home and placed into our home. It's a time of loss. You see, even though their birth parents, their biological family members, their mother and father, maybe they committed horrible crimes upon these children, issues of abuse that we can't comprehend, neglect, abandonment. They may have done some unspeakable things perhaps to these children. But for these children, that's their norm. That's their mother and their father. That's their family. Again, that's their norm. Our house, that stability, that structure, that unconditional love, that's not their norm. We are strangers to them. So when they come to our home, those first few days, yes, they're asking questions like, why am I here? When do I go home? At the same time, it's a time of loss. The loss of that norm in their life. Yes, that norm that we provide for them is something completely foreign to them. They're in grief because they've lost that sense of norm in their life. So we as foster parents need to make sure that we are understanding of that and compassionate of that and patient with that and give them time for these children to recognize, you know what, maybe I'm going to be okay. This is a different house. This is a different family, but I'm going to be okay here. The gift of time. For the Foster Care Institute, I'm Dr. John DeGarmo.